AI can help you write a meta-analysis faster, but one mistake can damage your manuscript. Think again. Rushed manuscripts get rejected because validation was skipped. One unchecked field can sink credibility. Use AI to speed up database searches and term expansion, but confirm every final search string. Leverage rapid outlines and section drafts to jumpstart writing. Then revise for accuracy and tone. Organize citations and notes for a reproducible workflow. Keep logs aligned with Prisma. AI is a tool, not a referee. Validate against originals. Document every decision. AI can assist. Researchers must validate. Watch the full video on El-Tanani Research Group, prepared by Professor El-Tanani, El-Tanani Research Group. Before writing your meta-analysis, ask ChatGPT to help refine your PICO question. Define scope clearly. Iterate on the research question until it is specific and answerable. Request keyword lists and Boolean combinations. Draft inclusion and exclusion criteria for transparent screening. Turn them into a screening checklist. Ask for a manuscript structure aligned with Prisma standards. Use prompts to plan figures and tables. AI can propose. You must verify assumptions and feasibility. Confirm with domain literature. Use AI to plan smarter, but validate the science. Watch the full video on El-Tanani Research Group, prepared by Professor El-Tanani, El-Tanani Research Group. Struggling to understand complex papers? SciSpace can help. Start with key questions. Get concise summaries of methods and results. Clarify jargon and statistical terms. Surface study design, sample size, outcomes, and key findings. Organize notes for comparison. Always check the original paper before extracting data. Correct discrepancies immediately. Keep a transparent trail for synthesis. Document sources for each value. Never trust extracted data without validation. Watch the full video on El-Tanani Research Group, prepared by Professor El-Tanani, El-Tanani Research Group. Screening hundreds of papers? Rayon can save time. Centralize your review. Organize references and remove duplicates automatically. Add inclusion tags efficiently. Accelerate title and abstract screening with clear criteria. Resolve conflicts transparently. Final inclusion and exclusion decisions must be made by human reviewers. Keep your flow documented. AI supports screening. Researchers decide. Watch the full video on El-Tanani Research Group, prepared by Professor El-Tanani, El-Tanani Research Group. AI can explain forest plots, but it cannot replace a statistician. Expert judgment matters. Use RevMan, R, Stata, Jamovi, or comprehensive meta-analysis for computation. Select models deliberately. Let AI explain heterogeneity, subgroup analysis, and funnel plots. Interpret with caution. Always verify code, assumptions, and interpretation with a statistician. Run sensitivity and bias checks. Validate every analysis before submission. Watch the full video on El-Tanani Research Group, prepared by Professor El-Tanani, El-Tanani Research Group. A polished manuscript is not always a correct manuscript. Check before you submit. Confirm the research question and the full search strategy. Trace study flow transparently. Verify extracted data against originals. Assess risk of bias for each study. Review statistical models and sensitivity analyses. Align claims with evidence and references. Proof every reference and link. Match the target journal guidelines. AI can assist. Researchers must validate. Science comes first. Watch the full video on El-Tanani Research Group, prepared by Professor El-Tanani, El-Tanani Research Group.